Right, let's have a little chat. Are you feeling a bit, sluggish, like your get up and go has got up and gone? I get it, I really do. Some mornings, you just want to pull the covers back over your head and call it a day. But what if I told you there's a little secret weapon that could change all that? Imagine starting your day with something that tastes like a dessert, but works like a supercharger for your body and mind. We're talking about a glorious dry fruit shake. This isn't just another boring health drink, oh no. This is a creamy, dreamy glass of pure joy that might just help you feel more energetic, sleep a bit sounder, and even put a little extra spring in your step. It's brilliant, honestly. Now don't roll your eyes just yet. I know what you're thinking. James, another complicated health fad? Absolutely not. This is as simple as it gets. The beauty of a dry fruit shake is its sheer simplicity, paired with its incredible benefits. These little dried up fruits aren't remnants. They're tiny, concentrated nuggets of goodness. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, healthy fats. Think of it as a multivitamin you can drink, but it tastes a million times better. One single glass gives a clean, steady boost without the jittery crash from a triple shot espresso. Most people think of dry fruits as just a holiday snack from a fancy tin, but blend them and something magical happens. They release nutrients in a way that's easy to absorb. Alright, let's talk about our team of superstars. The starting lineup is a simple mix of 5 fantastic dry fruits. You don't need anything exotic or hard to find. These are classics you can grab at any supermarket. First up, the mighty almond, packed with vitamin E and healthy fats for your skin and heart. Then walnuts, the brainy ones, full of omega-3 fatty acids, fantastic for your memory and your mood. The ultimate brain food. Next, dates, nature's candy, bursting with iron to keep your blood healthy and your energy up. They make the shake deliciously sweet without a spoonful of sugar. Following them are humble raisins, small but mighty, great sources of potassium and other minerals. They help your muscles and prevent weakness during a long day. Quiet supporters that make a huge difference. Finally, pistachios. Not just fun to crack. They're loaded with protein and fiber to keep you full. They also contain vitamin B6, a mood booster that helps keep your nervous system calm. Together, this team creates a symphony of flavors and textures. You've got the creamy, the crunchy, the sweet, and the nutty, all working in perfect harmony. It's a well-rounded cast where every single member plays a crucial role in making your shake absolutely spectacular. You can add other players, a ripe banana for extra creaminess and fiber, a splash of milk, dairy or plant-based like almond or oat, adding calcium and protein, even a touch of honey if you've a sweet tooth, though dates often make it perfect. This mix is your starting point, tried and true, delivering on both taste and health. Most people think of dry fruits as just a holiday snack from a fancy tin, but blend them and something magical happens. They release nutrients in a way that's easy to absorb. Ready for the easiest recipe you'll ever learn? Honestly, if you can press a button, you can make this shake. No complicated techniques, just a blender. Here's how, step by step. Give your dry fruits a little bath. Take a handful of almonds, walnuts, dates, raisins, pistachios. Pop them into a bowl. Pour warm water until they're submerged. Let them soak for at least 2 hours or overnight in the fridge. This step is key. Soaking makes them soft and blendable. Once they're plump, drain and rinse. Toss them into your blender. Add a ripe banana for creaminess. Use a whole banana. Pour in about 1 cup of milk, whole, skim, almond, soy, or oat. Each brings different creaminess, so experiment. If it's too thick, add another splash. Pop the lid on. Make sure it's secure. We don't want a Jackson Pollock on your ceiling. Blend for a minute or 2 until smooth and creamy. No chunky bits, just velvety liquid. Pour into a tall glass and admire that rich color. Your nutrient-packed dry fruit shake is ready. Drink fresh for best taste and benefits. Cheers to that. So, you've sipped your delicious shake. It tastes amazing, but what is it actually doing for you? Let's break it down, fruit by fruit, in simple terms. Almonds, heart. Walnuts, brain. Dates, blood. Raisins, muscle. First, almonds, your skin's best friend. Packed packed with vitamin E to protect skin cells and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Steady energy, no mid-morning slump. You'll feel steady and ready. Walnuts are little brain boosters. Omega-3s support cognitive function. Studies show better memory and focus. They can uplift mood and even contain melatonin to help regulate sleep. Wake refreshed. Dates bring iron, crucial for red blood cells to carry oxygen. If you're tired, they're a tasty top-up. Quick energy burst pre-workout and fiber to keep your gut happy. Raisins are rich in potassium for heart function and muscle contractions, helping fluid balance and preventing cramps. Pistachios provide protein to build and repair tissues, help you feel full, and vitamin B6 to make mood-regulating neurotransmitters. It's amazing how these tiny ingredients work together to support your well-being from head to toe. It's like a little therapy session in a glass. Making this fantastic shake a part of your daily life is incredibly easy. Find a time that works for you and stick to it. First thing in the morning is a game changer. Have it after a morning walk or workout to refuel, or beat that afternoon slump around 3 p.m, the perfect energizing snack to carry you to dinner. The key is consistency. Do a little prep. Soak a batch, chill in the fridge, then just scoop, add milk and blend. It takes 2 minutes. Quick, sensible safety chat. Watch for nut allergies, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. If you have a known nut allergy, avoid it. If unsure, try a tiny amount and watch how your body reacts. Not suitable for babies under 1. If you manage sugar or have diabetes, note that dates and raisins can raise blood sugar. Enjoy in moderation or consult a doctor or nutritionist. Tweak by using fewer dates or add more nuts or seeds. Simple, powerful, utterly delicious. Small effort, massive reward. Try it for 1 week. Notice energy, sleep, mood. Get your fruits soaking, blender ready. Your body will thank you. Give it a go today.